Good morning everyone. We have already seen this scratch in class 5. We will continue in class 6 also with scratch. The chapter number is 6. Now we will see the features of scratch. The first feature is it is available free of cost. That means you can easily download it from internet without any cost. Second one is it is easy to understand and learn. That you have already seen in class 5. It is very easy to use and learn. Third one is, see, there are different sprites in Scratch. There are different options to move that sprite. So because of that, students get attracted towards this Scratch program. They find it very interesting. Next one is, there is no need to write any code. What is there in Scratch? These blocks are there. So what you have to do, you have to just drag and drop these blocks. Next one is we will see components of Scratch window. Okay. So this all of you know, this is Sprite. Okay. This is Sprite. This is view full screen button. The stage will be viewed on the full screen. Next is this green flag will start your script. This stop button will stop your script. This is stage where sprite performs action. This is your sprite. You can add many sprites on stage. This one is sprite list. Okay. So if you add new sprite, you will get that sprite in your sprites list here. Next one is backdrop icons. From here you can change backdrop. Backdrop means what? It is a stage. You can change it using this. Okay. You can also take many backdrops like sprite. Next one is new sprite button. These are new sprite button. Next one is this. This is title bar. This one where Scratch to offline editor is written. This is my title bar. Next is menu bar. This file, edit, tips, about. This is menu bar. Next one is these. These are cursor tools. This is used to duplicate the sprite. How you will duplicate? Click here and click on the sprite. Same sprite will be duplicated. Okay. Next one is this one, that is delete sprite. How you will delete it? Click on this and click on the sprite. That sprite will be deleted. Next one is this one, grow, where arrows are outside, all the 4 arrows. It will grow the sprite. Next one is this one, shrink. What it will do? It is opposite of grow. It will decrease the size of your sprite. This is block help. You will get help about the block. What you will do? You will click on this block help and click on the block. See here. Okay. Next one is, this one is block menu. This one is block palette. There are 10 different color coded blocks here, and whenever you will click on one block, in block palette all the sub blocks will come. This is your scripts area where you write scripts. Okay. Now this in sprite list, there is at the top left corner you will see sprite info pane. This is sprite info pane. When you click here, you can change name of sprite here. I will give some name. From here you can change direction. See this? In first rotation style, that is circular arrow, it will allow your sprite to take full rotation and the face of the sprite will also rotate. See. Next is linear. In linear arrow, sprite will only face to the left and right. See. See. Next is third one is disable rotation. Sprite will move but its face will not change. The direction of the face will not change. See this one. So wherever you move your cursor, the position of the cursor on the stage, it will be denoted here, that is X and Y, and position of sprite will be here. Okay, so this is position of your mouse pointer, this is position of your sprite. If you set this direction to 0, then your sprite will face to up. If you set this to 90, then your sprite will face to right. See. If this is 180, sprite will face to down. If it is minus 90, then left. Next we will see type of blocks. Now in Scratch there are different types of blocks. First one is head block. In events block there are head blocks. So head block looks like this and it is used to start the script. It has bump at the bottom but there is no notch at the top. So this is a head block used to run the script. Second is stack block. Stack block will always perform main commands, that is to move the sprite, to change its color. So all these are stack blocks. Okay. Now there are 77 stack blocks. I will show you. This is a stack block. All these are stack block which will perform the main action and it will have this notch at the top and bump at the bottom so that it can be connected to any other block. Why these head blocks don't have any notch at the top? Because it is our starting block. So no block will be connected here. So there is no need of any notch. This is my stack block which will always perform some actions on your sprite. Next is Boolean blocks. See, in operators you will see this Boolean blocks. This greater than, equal to, less than, and, or, not. All these are Boolean blocks. Boolean blocks will always give you output as true or false. And its shape is hexagon. This one. This one is my Boolean block. It is used for conditions. Okay. And it will always return true or false. Suppose I write here 10 is greater than 20. Is this true or false? This is false. So always the output will be either true or false. Next one is C block. In control block, this C block is there like this. It will look like C. These all are C blocks. This C block is used for looping. Whatever blocks you will use inside this C block, that will be repeated again and again as per the condition. Okay. So C blocks are used to repeat the blocks inside this. Next is cap blocks. Now cap blocks are used to stop the script. So these two are cap blocks. This one stop, like head block is used to run, right? Run or start the script, but this cap block is used to stop the script. And there is no bump at the bottom because after this, after stopping anything, no script will be run. Okay. So that's why there is no bump here because no block can be added after this. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.